Hi, I'm Ankit V. Kapoor, and these are the 5 most asked questions about a man's suit. Well, before purchasing a suit, there are many questions that might come to your mind. Right now, I'm answering the 5 most asked questions that I usually get all the time. Is it a good idea to buy a suit off the rack and not get it tailored? Well, the short answer for this question is no, absolutely not. A suit is something that fits you like a glove. If it doesn't fit you like a glove, it is not a good fit. You're not going to buy a t-shirt. It's a suit. So it has to fit you perfectly. The shoulders, the chest, the length of the sleeves, the length of the suit, everything. It's so important. Even the lapels, everything is very important. So you cannot just get that quality rather off the rack. I made hundreds of suits, and even though the quality of fabric really matters, but nothing beats a good classy fit. What kind of accessories can I wear with my suit? Well, so the simple way to answer this is less is more. When it comes to accessorizing the suit, keep it minimal to, let's say, a pocket square, a lapel pin, and a tie, or even a good pair of eyeglasses. Even that works. What I would not recommend is wearing too many accessories at the same time. Keeping just 3 to 4 accessories is the max that one should do. Let's say if you're wearing a lapel pin, pocket square, maybe cufflinks, then you can avoid wearing a tie pin. You can avoid wearing eyeglasses if you don't have to wear one. Wearing too many things makes it really clustered and looks really bad. What shoes do I wear with my suit? When it comes to choosing a shoe with your suit, you have to be really careful. But before thinking what shoe you should wear, one thing is definite. You should wear a comparatively new pair of shoe. And if you don't have a new pair of shoe, make sure that it is very well polished. Now coming to style, I personally love Oxfords and monk straps with my suits, and if let's say it's summers, I would go in for penny loafers. I even love to pair my clean new fresh pair of white sneakers with my suit. I feel that also looks really classy. Why don't we button the bottom button of the suit ever? Oh, this is an interesting question. So the reason behind not buttoning the bottom button of your suit goes back to King Edward VII. He used to love wearing suits, and just so that he could be comfortable, he would unbutton the bottom button of his suit, and people out of respect around him started even unbuttoning their bottom button of the suit, and that eventually became a trend, and today we all follow it. And there's another reason also. It gives a very good curve to your body, which I feel should be the greater reason, but this was the real reason why we don't ever button the bottom button of the suit. Should you wear a suit with a broad lapel or a thin lapel? So before choosing a suit, you have to know what is the right lapel for you. Broader lapels look really retro, classy, dapper, like the Great Gatsby, and thin lapels look really casual and cool. Also, if you have, let's say, a thin body frame, I would recommend wearing a thinner and a slimmer lapel, and if you have a broader body frame, then you should go in for a thicker and a broader lapel. Always remember one thing: fashion is what you wear, style is how you wear.